morning student. In previous video we have shown the certain terms, certain definition. What we have shown? We have shown the definitions of sporadic, virulence, pathogenicity, pathogenesis, incubation period. Okay, this definition we have shown. We will recall that definition fast. Okay, the incubation period म्हणजे काय? Incubation period म्हणजे the time. Period is nothing but the time. Okay, time required for a cell or a egg to hatch. Okay, egg to hatch. आपण egg incubator ला ठेवले तर it will hatch. आपण cell incubator ला ठेवले it will grow, it will multiply. Okay, at a certain length for a given temperature for a given time. Okay, and in medical term incubation period is defined as the onset of the infection. Virus has been entered or pathogen has been entered in our body. Okay, it will त्याला grow व्हायला multiply व्हायला वेळ लागेल. Okay, that is वेळ लागेल means what? It will incubate itself to grow, to multiply. Okay, that is nothing but the incubation period. Second definition we have shown about the pathogenicity आणि pathogenesis. Difference काय होता pathogenicity आणि pathogenesis मध्ये? Pathogenicity is nothing but it is the cause or the pathogen ability of the pathogen to produce the disease. This is production, this is cause, that is nothing but the pathogenicity. Pathogen आणि pathogenicity. आणि pathogenesis मध्ये आपण काय बोलतो की आता डिसीज कॉज झाला, व्हॉट इज एक्झॅक्ट मेकॅनिझम की तो डिसीज कसा प्रोड्यूस करेल, कुठं प्रोड्यूस करेल, दॅट इज नथिंग बट द pathogenicity. रूट or mechanism of the pathogen to cause the disease is nothing but the pathogenicity. त्याच्यानंतर आपण बघितलं स्पोरॅडिक. स्पोरॅडिक मीन्स व्हॉट? इरेग्युलर इन्फेक्शन. ओके, और infrequently disease. Infrequently disease, that is termed as the sporadic. Means there is no any time, there is no any season, there is no any particular period, or okay, there is no any particular time or period. Disease happens infrequently. Disease cause होते. Example we have shown rabies and herpes zoster. Herpes zoster is the name of the organism which produce the herpes zoster disease. Okay, it is nothing but the rashes. Skin वरती rashes and the painful असतात. That is nothing but the sporadic. Next definition we have shown about the virulence. Okay, virulence म्हणजे काय? Virulence is nothing but the now disease has been produced. To how much extent disease has been produced, that we check in the virulence. म्हणजे ते pathogenची pathogenicity किती आहे, किती extent मध्ये, high low, that we check in the virulence. Okay, तर हे आपण terms बघितले, definitions बघितले. Now in this video we are going to see remaining definitions, that is lab diagnosis, endemic, epidemic and pandemic. Now first we will see lab diagnosis. LD short form मध्ये जर म्हटलं तर it is nothing but the LD. आता lab diagnosis म्हणजे काय? Lab आणि diagnosis, the tests which are used to identify the disease is nothing but the lab diagnosis. In lab we collect the sample, blood sample, urine sample, swab sample, tissue sample. हे सगळे sample आपण डिटेक्ट करतो, लॅब मध्ये पाठवतो. If you are not sure की पेशंटला कोणता डिसीज झाला, ओके, to make sure we collect the samples required. We collect the required sample and we analyze. आपण काय करतो, ते sample analyze करतो आणि मग final conclusion आपण देतो की त्या पेशंटला हा डिसीज झाला by testing the sample, by collecting the sample. So ते sample आपण लॅबला पाठवतो to diagnose. ओके, आता ते sample आपण एकदा आपल्याला कळलं की the patient is suffering from that disease. Suppose the patient is suffering from the coronavirus or the patient is suffering from the COVID. So we start the treatment. आधी आपण काय करतो, in COVID cases what we do, we generally collect the swab, throat swab we collect, isn't it? पण throat swab collect करतो, ते लॅबला पाठवतो. ओके, त्याचं चेकिंग होतं तिथं. If the person is positive then he is suffering from that COVID disease. Okay, so then we use the treatment. आपण मग त्याला काय देतो, प्रॉपर ट्रीटमेंट देतो, प्रॉपर मेडिसिन्स देतो, ओके, रिक्वायर्ड ट्रीटमेंट आपण देतो. सो वी डायग्नोस, we collect the swab, we send it to the lab, testing is done and then treatment is given. That is nothing but the lab diagnosis. Okay, to diagnose the disease, to to check whether what the patient is suffering from the disease, which disease is there. Okay, actually we conclude in this lab testing or lab diagnosis. Now next terms are there: endemic, epidemic and pandemic. Okay, now these three terms are correlated to each other, but there is slight difference between these three terms. First we will see endemic. Now what is meant by endemic? Endemic, it is regularly found in particular place. Regularly found in particular place म्हणजे काय? एका ठराविक जागेत तो तिथं तो मीन्स डिसीज तो रेग्युलरली तिथं आढळतो. रेग्युलरली तिथं इट हॅज बीन रेग्युलरली फाईंड. फॉर एक्झाम्पल मलेरिया. जर फॉर एक्झाम्पल बघितलं तर एक्झाम्पल इज मलेरिया. मलेरिया इट इज बीन फाउंड इन द हॉट रिजन, जिथे उष्णता जास्त असते तिथं मलेरिया हा फ्रिक्वेंटली आढळतो. फ्रिक्वेंटली, इनफ्रिक्वेंटली नाही, फ्रिक्वेंटली आढळतो, रेग्युलरली आढळतो. रेग्युलरली त्याच एरियामध्ये असतो. आता हॉट रिजन्स आहे, इन हॉट रिजन्स malaria has been regularly found. That is nothing but the endemic disease. A particular disease is found in that area regularly. Okay, varshbhar or continue months, continue years is regularly found in that area. That is the endemic. Epidemic means what? Epidemic, it affects large number of people in a particular country. Country in country or in particular country. Now how it affects large number of people. Suppose examples are happening. I'll tell you example of epidemic and pandemic in a combined manner. Okay, epidemic means what? Affects large number of people in a particular country, and pandemic means what? It's spread in the large area. Now we will relate these both the terms, epidemic and pandemic. Okay, now epidemic, you will take the example, common example, world famous disease is COVID-19. Okay, now COVID-19, first it was epidemic. आधी COVID-19 काय होतं? epidemic होतं. How epidemic? कुठून स्टार्ट झालं? फ्रॉम वुहान, चायना. ओके, त्या पर्टिक्युलर एरियामध्ये होतं, फक्त वुहानमध्ये होता तो. ओके, वुहान चायनामध्ये होतं फक्त तो COVID-19. ओके, तर वुहानमध्ये लार्ज नंबर ऑफ पीपलला कोरोना झाला. ओके, वुहान लार्ज नंबर ऑफ पीपलला कोरोना झाला. दॅट इज द इपिडेमिक. ओके, बट slowly it became pandemic. Pandemic means what? From Wuhan it has been spread to complete China. From China it has been spread to the India, it has been spread to the America, to different countries. म्हणजे त्याचं geographical distribution झालं. COVID-19 geographically काय झालंय? Distribute झालंय. And now it has been turned to the pandemic, which is difficult to control. Okay, that is nothing but the pandemic. First COVID-19 was epidemic as it was restricted to that area, Wuhan area, China area. Okay, मग त्यावेळेस हा COVID-19 काय होता? Epidemic. But afterwards, slowly it has been distributed worldwide. Geographically त्याचं काय झालंय? Distribution झालंय. आणि epidemicचं कन्वर्जन pandemic झालं. म्हणजे COVID-19 जो epidemic होता तो नंतर pandemic मध्ये कन्वर्जन झालं, which is distributed throughout the geographical area and it is difficult to control. So there is difference between these three terms. Endemic, regularly found पण त्या पर्टिक्युलर एरियामध्ये. एक्झाम्पल मलेरिया. Epidemic, it was first restricted to the small area. Okay, COVID. First it was restricted to Wuhan, China. But slowly it spread. There's a geographical distribution झालं. Okay, different countries मध्ये तो spread झालं. And then epidemicचं conversion कशात झालंय? Pandemic मध्ये. Okay, so here it affects large number of people, large number of population, पण त्याच एरियामध्ये, त्याच कंट्रीमध्ये. But here it affects large number of people, but in different areas. The geographical distribution are different area. So there is difference between this endemic, epidemic, and pandemic. Okay, and lab diagnosis to check or to diagnose the disease, to confirm that patient is suffering from this disease. आपण काय करतो? त्या पेशंटचे सॅम्पल, ब्लड, युरिन, स्वॅब, एनिथिंग, we send it to the lab. तिथे त्याचं चेकिंग होतं and then we confirm that that patient is suffering from this disease and then we take the treatment. आपण काय करतो? पेशंटला डायग्नोज करतो. Okay, short what we do? We diagnose क्रेडिट फर्स्ट पॉईंट, क्रेडिट वनचा पहिला पॉईंट आपण कव्हर केला आहे. मेडिकल मायक्रोबायोलॉजीचा पहिला पॉईंट आहे आता डेफिनेशन्स, ज्यात आपण कॉमन टर्म्स बघितले, कॉमन डेफिनेशन्स बघितले, जे पुढं in next chapter. Okay, next chapter is what your next chapter is that we have to study the biochemical characters, pathogenesis. आता हे आपण डायरेक्टली टर्म यूज करणार आहोत, pathogenicity, because in now we have shown all the terms, what is pathogenicity, what is pathogenesis, all the terms we have shown. In next video we will start our first credits second point. Okay, so yes, these are the terms.